Don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. I don't go to people's houses and tamper with their fire alarms, so therefore don't come to my house and tamper with my fire alarms. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere, especially in public buildings. You don't play with my alarms. You don't play with Dale's alarms. You don't play with any alarms unless it's your own alarm. But if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Like, if you visit my house and you come into my room, do not do this. You don't tamper with my fire alarms. That is a no-no in my house. Because it's not your alarm. So, do not play with the fire alarms at my house. Bye.